Well, YouTube. Look what got here in the mail today. Park Tool chewing stand. Professional. I don't know about professional, but it says professional wheel chewing stand. Guys, I got into a new hobby here lately that I started building wheels. So I had to have one of these. Let's see what it looks like. But yeah, I've been wanting one of these for a minute. Oh, look, it comes with the little plastic so you don't scratch the white wheels that you do and the painted wheels and all those things that I'll be doing. Look at this. It comes with instructions. Who knows what you need? Oh, and a sticker. Wow. It's official, baby. I'm a professional wheel builder.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. You guys, I'm gonna just start building wheels from now.
So
Look at this. Look at this. My guys, look at this. Look at this. You gotta be He-Man to pick it up though, cause it's not light. That's all that's in the box.
That's it.
That's it. You get this and a sticker and a couple wheels. Well, guys, you know we don't do much. We don't do a lot of kids tricks are for kids on our channel because we're not tricksters too well, but we are BMXers. So now our tricks are gonna be tricking out wheels, tricking out BMXs.
Ooh.
Since I don't do tricks on my bike. None of you guys have really said anything about me not doing tricks because my channel is more about just riding around cities and kind of that kind of stuff, but I know you guys want to see tricks, so this will be a nice little trick. Oh, look at that.
That is nice.
Look at that. Look at that. It's prettier than most women walking around the universe. Why do I got two knobs? Oh, God. Oh. Am I gonna need instructions to set this up? Yeah, I remember. Spread them legs open far and wide. I've never put this together, so.
Get your little instruction book.
What do I do with, oh, hand me the instruction. Hopefully you can't see any of that stuff over there. Oh, there's my beautiful sticker again.
This thing is sweet.
I'm not a smoker, guys, so that stuff over there is not.
You can't even see
Not
nothing
this
when you
guy.
shut up.
Yeah, but so like I was saying, tighten, loosen, loosen, tighten. Oh great. Oh great. Oh great. How come they didn't just part two? How come you didn't send us ready to use? I
Build
need.
date.
You know what they said?
Look, it says a build date.
They built that September 29th of 21. Some guy with AS.
It was barely built.
Barely built. Look at that. Look. Oh man, that's so pretty, man. Yeah, guys. So there won't be any tricks, but we will be cruising and we will be building wheels, and I will be showing you guys how to build a wheel if you want to know. But look at that. It's beautiful. Now I need to get a little. I would say that the long one goes so we'll start with this one, guys. The long
Put it closer to you.
Huh? I'm in love. I think I love this. I'm telling you, this thing is more pretty than 80% of the women I see walking around the streets. I tell you, I'm so in love with it. I'm putting grease on this because the guy that I seen do it on Park Tool, he put grease on it.
Paper towel?
Yeah. Need a paper towel. Probably gonna get dirty eventually. Screw that thing in there. That's the build quality ain't good. Screw this machine right, man. There you go.
Damn, it feels like it's hard to go in.
I greased it though. Can't say I didn't grease it. Everyone saw me grease it. Okay. It is greased. But yeah, guys. I just want to show you guys my
Little tool that I got. And to let you know, even if you can't do tricks, guys, ride your bike every day. If you can't ride it every day, ride it as much as you can ride. And don't ever let anyone discourage you to not riding it because you can't do a trick or you can't do a front flip or a 180 or something. Because I've been discouraged by people, and it's not good to let people do that to you. Just go out and ride your bike and have a good time. Don't worry about what anyone says. You can do or can't do. This thing is tight. As tight as this one. Yes. Let me get some. It's pretty bad that I have to go all the way back to the 8th grade to remember a girl being that tight, right?
not funny.
I'm a jokester. I will say this. They should have sent this thing out.
Ready to use?
Ready to use, yeah. I kind of went down too low. So, now we got this little knob to put in.
More grease.
More grease. Yeah, just grease it, cause I mean the guy, he's not too little. He's a tall guy, but he put grease on his before he put his together on the Park Tool channel. I'm so happy for this machine right now, even if I have to balance it out and all that other stuff. Still pretty cool. I really wish they would have. Oh gosh, just look at that.
To be adjusted?
Yeah, I think so. Because the arms are not. Gotta put these on there. But you're not gonna believe this.
What?
It needs to be adjusted bad.
Is hella off?
Huh?
It's off or what?
Yeah, it's off. It is off. You see how this is not, the wheel's not centered?
Yeah.
It has to be centered. I gotta figure out how to center it. I think it's got something to do with what it says on this. I'm gonna get this thing straightened out and trued, and I'll be back another day showing you how it looks when it's straight. But you guys can see it's not straight. The wheel's not centered. I gotta figure that out. So hopefully you guys like this, and don't stop riding. Have a good day. We'll see you guys later.